Good morning, happy Saturday everyone. I'm Meg Moore, Community Garden Specialist with the Charleston Parks Conservancy. We're at Medway Community Garden and we just had a wonderful volunteer opportunity today with 6 people. We met one new friend, which is always fun. What we did, we focused on harvesting, how to harvest, why we harvest, what to do. We also took down our compost bin that has not been tended to properly, so we're going to let the city come in and scoop it up and compost it for us, and then hopefully have an educational compost bin in the future, so wait for that. We also have some community beds available in this garden, so it's an 8x4 bed. All you have to do is go to our website, charlestonparksconservancy.org, and go to what we do at the top, and then click on Community Gardens, Medway Community Garden, and then you sign up for a wait list, and when a bed is available, which it should be, I will contact you and we'll have an orientation and talk about volunteering opportunities. And speaking of volunteering opportunities, so say you want to join us on a wonderful Saturday morning like today, you just go again to our website and it'll say volunteer opportunities and here's how. So we hope you'll join us. Thank you.